Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, Scale to Fit and Print Preferences. The Scale to Fit tool can be used to squash or expand content over a given page range. The Scale to Fit tool is found under the Page Layout tab on the ribbon. Watch how I use the Scale to Fit tool to scale a worksheet to fit on a single page. Use the Width drop-down box to specify how many pages wide to scale the worksheet to. Use the Height drop-down box to specify how many pages high to scale the worksheet to. The Print preferences are accessed by clicking on the File tab and then Print. Use the Print preferences to customize the printing options. Use the Copies number box to specify the number of printed copies needed. The Printer drop-down box can select available printers to send the printed document to. Use the Next drop-down box to select the content type to print. One option is Print Active Sheets. This will print the selected worksheet. Print Selection will only print highlighted content in the active worksheet. Print Entire Workbook will print all worksheets in the workbook. The Pages number boxes can be used to specify a page range to print from the worksheet. The Next preference can be used to select which sides of a page to print on. Remember, printing on both sides of a page will help to save paper. Use the Orientation drop-down box to change the orientation of the printed document. The Next preference will allow the page size of the printed document to be changed. The last preference can be used to apply and remove scaling. Setting the preference to No Scaling will remove any scaling and print the document as it is. Watch how I set this preference to scale the printed document to fit all columns on one page. To the right of the Print preferences is the Print Preview window. This window will show how the document will look when printed. The margins of the page can be adjusted, but first they will need to be turned on. Once the margins are turned on, use the small black points to adjust the document margins. To adjust the margin, position the cursor over a point, left-click, hold and then drag. If the content spills onto other pages, use the page arrows to navigate through the worksheet. Once all preferences have been set, click the print icon to print the document. To exit the print preferences, click on another tab on the ribbon.